Okay, now that you have been working on your Audacity project and you've got some tracks laid down and you need to stop so that you can come back to it later, there are two things you need to know. One is saving your project, and then in the end, when you're all done with your project, how to export that project so you can listen to it on a regular MP3 player. So the first step is saving your project. I've got a track laid down here and I want to come back to it later, so I need to save it before I leave. I'm going to go to File, Save Project As. It's going to pop up a warning that says that this is just a project file and you won't be able to play it, that you do need to export it at the end when you're all done, which we'll do later. So just say OK there. And now you want to make sure that you're in your My Music. So if you're on your drive, and then I go to My Music, I have a folder called Audacity Projects, but you might want to just create a project special for the rap project. And it's always a good idea to put all of your work inside of its own folder because there's multiple files that go along with the Audacity project. So click Create a New Folder and title that project Rap Project, or whatever the title of your rap is. And now I'm going to title this one, give the title of my actual song, my rap song, in here, and it's going to save that project. Okay. Now I've got that project saved inside of that folder and I'm ready to go. So in the future, when I'm trying to access that actual document, say I start out from being logged in, I just want to go to my computer, and then I'm going to go to My Music, and there's my rap song data. Oops, that's not the right one, sorry. I want to go to My Rap Song Project. Oh, somehow I didn't get my files saved in there. Let me just put those in there real quickly. Whoops. There we go. So you're going to open up your My Rap project, and you're going to notice inside of My Rap project, if you saved it correctly, you should have a folder that has all of this data in it. And if you click, you'll see there's just all these folders and all these numbers. That's not what you want. You should never have to access that. What you're looking for is the one that has a little icon next to it that says My Rap Song, not the one that says data on it. So if I click that one, what it'll do is open Audacity and be ready for me to work on my project. Okay, so that's the first step. Now let's assume that you've got all of your tracks laid down and you're ready to turn this into a final version. Now what you need to do is save it as an MP3. So you're going to have to go up to File, and it's not Save but Export, and you notice it's going to export it. This is defaulting to a WAV, but we want to switch that and make it be an MP3 file. And I'm going to make sure, let's put it in the same place. Always pay attention to where you're saving stuff. I'm going to put it in My Music, and I'm going to put it inside my rap project folder. And I don't want to put it inside that data, just leave it alone here. Just call it My, and I'm just going to change the name so I know that it's really the final rap song. Okay, and it's going to save it as an MP3. That's important that you change that. Click Save. It's going to pop up this other thing where you can put in some of the metadata stuff if you want to, but you don't need to. I'm just going to say OK here. And now it's converting my Audacity project into an MP3 song by combining all the tracks that I laid down together. So those are the two steps in saving your project so you can continue to work on it, and when you're all finished with your project, how to convert it or export it into an MP3 so that you can turn it in and save it to play for other folks. Okay, that's the end of this tutorial.